If your Chrome browser is getting crowded and you want to clean things up fast, this video will show you exactly how to delete tab groups in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. Tab groups are great for organizing your tabs, but if you no longer need one, removing it is quick and easy. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tips just like this. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look along the top of the browser where your tabs are located. You may see tab groups as colored labels, named groups, or several tabs bundled together under one heading. These group tabs are what we're looking for. Next, find the specific tab group that you want to delete. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have more than one group open. Once you've found it, right-click directly on the tab group label. This is the colored name or title attached to the group. When you right-click the tab group name, a menu will appear with several tab group options. From that menu, look for the option that says Delete Group. Click on Delete Group and Chrome will immediately remove that tab group from your browser. That's all there is to it. The tab group will be deleted and your tabs will no longer be grouped together. If you want, you can always create a new tab group later, but for now your browser should be a little more organized and easier to manage. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an easy tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.